on. Here we are, we've arrived at Tri-County. Up comes the seat. Up comes the back. Out comes the battery. And up comes the front.
Is it heavy?
No.
All right.
It's not light, truly light. So, to reassemble, let me bring it, yeah, come in close here. There are some arms on the back of this front part that have to go, let's see, where do they go? You have to lift this guy up, and the arms come up. I thought this thing stuck out more. Oh, I've got it backwards. Yeah. And there's a rod here that they have to go over. It's very easy. Just lift it up, and put those two over it, and then let this. You have this. By the way, you have this. This has to be tipped back a little bit to make that go on there, and then you let it flip up and it locks in place. Then it's all just doing in reverse what we did before. Undo this knob and flip up the tiller. Hope I got it at the right angle for Dad. Then the battery pack goes back on. There's only one way it can possibly go, and it seats itself with its own weight. And then finally, this guy goes back on. The post here, this is that lever that adjusts it. So you just aim the post in that hole, lift up the lever, let it drop into place. Last thing, you go back to the front, and right now it can't turn. So you have to take this guy and turn it to the side so that it's sideways again. Now it's ready to go, unless I've made some horrible mistake. I got your key here, Dad. Okay. The proof will be in the pudding.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
There we go.